Good morning, student. Today we are going to start solving some more questions for our journal in which trade and cash discount both are given and the cash payment also given. Okay? In this type of question, we are going to give the cash discount of cash payment. Already I was telling these things. Cash discount we are going to give on the cash payment. It means if you are going to sell the goods for 80,000 but you are receiving only 40,000 in cash, so then you are going to giving your cash in this 40,000 only. In this 40,000 only, not for the full 80,000. Okay, beta? On this way we are going to show the cash discount. As like just think, one purchase of goods 80,000, okay, 10% trade discount, 5% cash discount, okay, and 50% amount received in cash. Okay, if this type of case is given, then we are going to start like this: 80,000 less first trade discount 8,000, okay, then total amount is 72,000, then cash received 50%. It means half 50% cash and half credit, 50% credit. It means 36,000 and 36,000, and then this cash discount we are going to allow on this 36,000. Cash discount 5% on this 36,000, that is the 1800 less this amount. Okay, 34,200 in cash, 1800 in discount, 3600 in credit, and total amount is 700. As like that, if you are purchased from R this goods, so entry is like that: purchase account debit to cash, discount to R. In R 36,000, okay, in R 36,000, in cash 34,200, discount 1,800, and the main amount is 72,000. On this way we are going to present the cash and trade discount both. Clear or not? First we are going to less the trade discount, then that amount will come, that is divided in two parts, cash and credit, and then on the part of cash we are going to allow the cash discount. Okay, then this amount we are showing in cash, discount in discount, and credit on the front of name. Okay, beta? Clear? Now I am going to start the question of your book. Okay, take some question and then we are going to solve. Okay, question number beta?
Question number 10.
Question number 10. Okay, make the proforma. Okay, start question number 10. This piece I am taking for the rough. Okay. Okay, start.
Year 2019, March 5.
March 5. Okay.
Sold good to Shruti for rupees 80,000 at 15% trade discount.
Just see. Sold goods Shruti. Okay. Amount
80,000.
80,000. Okay. Next.
15% trade discount. At
15% trade discount beta. And
4% cash discount.
4% cash discount. And
Received 75% amount immediately
75% received in cash. Okay.
through check.
Clear? By check is okay. Clear? Now first we are going to less the trade discount. 15% trade discount. Same. First we are going to less the trade discount. Trade discount 15%. It means 1200. 10%, 8,000. 4,000 more, 12,000. Then the remaining amount is 68,000. Now we are going to take the 75% of cash, 75% cash and 25% credit or Shruti. Okay, just calculate the 75% of 68,000. Calculate 75% of 68,000 divide by 3 or divide by 4 multiply by 3. Divide by 4. 4 1 ja 4, 2 28, just like that. 75 upon 100, it means 3 upon 4. Okay beta, divide by 4 one time. Clear? 2 8 7. Okay, 7 into 3 51,000. Okay beta, clear? Here 51,000 and 17,000 this side. Okay, clear? Now we are going to less cash discount 4%. Just calculate out the 4% this amount. 4% means 0. Okay, 4 and 20. Okay, then 60, 9, 0, 8, 4. It means 48, 9, 60 is cash. 20, 40 is trade discount. Sorry, cash discount. This is on credit. Sold. It means Shruti. Only this one case is there or two cases there?
March 10.
Okay, two cases here. The first case is there. This Shruti David, cash account David, discount account David, two sales. Clear the things? Cash we are receiving, so David. Discount we are giving, so expense, so David. And Shruti is receiving the goods, so David. Now go for the amount in sales. 68,000. In Shruti 17,000. Discount 2040 and cash 48,960. Okay beta? Clear? Clear or not? Clear na? Okay, go for the next.
March 10.
10. Okay.
Purchased goods from Richa for
It means purchase account David to Richa to next
for 60,000 at 10% trade discount.
60,000. Okay, write down again. 60,000 less trade discount. Trade discount amount is
10%.
10% and
5% cash discount.
cash discount 5% and
60% amount paid.
60% cash receipt are paid. Okay, it means cash and discount. It's very easy beta, it's very easy. Entry is very easy. Only the calculation of amount is some given the problem, but entry is very easy. Richa, because Richa is giving the goods, so credit. You are paying the cash, so credit. You are receiving the discount, so credit. Okay beta? Then 60,000, same start, 10%. 6,000, 54,000, divide in two part. 60% and 40%. Okay, just calculate the 60% of 54,000. 0 0 32,400 and 21,600. Okay, 6 4 are 24, 4 2 is remain 30 to 32. Okay, this is cash and then less cash discount 5% of this amount means 60/20. Okay, 5% of this amount, 10% is 32/40. So half 0 80 3 6 7. Okay, 3 13 6 7 1 1 0 and 3. Okay, 30,780. Only set the amount. Cash 30,780, discount 1620 and recharge 121,600 and 54,000. Okay, beta? Clear? Answer is coming. Yes, discount amount is given. Clear or not? Clear or not? This way we are going to use. This way we are going to use for the question, for the calculation of the question on this type where the cash and trade both discount is given. Okay, beta? Where the cash and trade both discount is given, then we are using this system. And for entry, don't confuse for the entry. Entry is very easy. You 100% know about the purchase. Purchase is always debit. Other all things is credit. Cash credit discount is clear. Richa, why Richa is credit? Because Richa giving the money, giving the goods. Name is there, so it's credit. Okay, beta? Clear? Now I am going for the next question. On the same type of question. On that basis, I think you will well understand about this thing. The system is clear or not? How to calculate the cash discount and the trade discount, and then we are going to show the amount. Okay. Next question, question number 11.
Year 2019, January 6.
6 Jan. Okay.
Purchased good from Henry for rupees 50,000 on 10% trade discount.
Henry 50,000. Trade discount 10%. Okay.
And 4% cash discount.
4% cash discount and
Paid 60% amount by check.
60% in cash or check or bank. Okay. Now again same thing is start. 50,000 less. Trade discount 10%. It means 5,000. 45,000. Up to this is clear, I think. Up to this is clear, na beta? 45,000. First we are going to less the trade discount. Okay, beta? First we are going to less the trade discount. Then 60%. 60% in cash, 40% in credit. Just calculate the 60% of 45,000. What amount is coming? 27,000? 27,000. 27,000 and remaining amount is 18,000. Okay, beta? Now we are going to calculate less cash discount 4%. 4% of 27,000. Cut this to a 0. 2. 1080 29 5 2 25 9 20. Okay, now we are going to start the doing the entry. Purchase or sell, beta?
Purchase.
Purchase, it means purchase account David, Henry, cash, discount. In discount 1080 In cash 25 920. In Henry 18, total 45. Okay? Clear? Clear or not? Clear hai beta? Okay, go for the next.
10% trade discount and 4% cash discount.
Finished.
January 15th, bought goods from Amit for rupees 2 lakh at terms of 5% cash discount and 20% trade discount.
Only this.
And paid 3/4 of the amount.
Just see. Again, read it again. Bought food from
Bought good from Amit for 2 lakh at terms of 5% cash discount.
Amit for 2 lakh. Okay. 5%
Cash discount.
cash discount. And trade discount?
20%.
20% trade discount. And
Paid 3/4 of the amount in cash.
3/4 in cash. So first we are going to less. Okay. Less trade discount 20% means amount 40,000 beta. 40,000. 20% of this 1,60,000. Now 3/4. 3/4 of 1,60,000, 1,20,000 in cash and in credit 40,000. Okay, beta? Up to this is clear? What process I am using, it's clear or not? First clear the process. If your process is clear, you will understand how we are going to solve the question, then no problem about the entry. Okay? Then less cash discount, and cash discount amount is 5% beta. 5% of 1,20,000, 6,000. It means 4, 1 and 1. Okay? Now put in the question only purchase. Account debit to Amit to cash discount. Okay? In discount 6,000. In cash 114,000 and 40,000 in Amit, and total amount 1,60,000 in purchase. Okay? Clear? Clear or not? Clear beta? How?
180.
How to put the all things is clear or not? Amit is created because he is giving them, because we are going to purchase from it. Okay? Cash we are paying, so credit. Discount we are receiving, so credit. Okay? Okay, go for the next.
January 18th.
18 Jan. Okay?
Sold goods to Sherpa at the list price of 50,000.
Wait. First I wrote this. Then. Okay. Sold goes to Sherpa.
Sherpa at list price of 50,000.
50,000. Okay.
Less 20% trade discount and 4% cash discount.
Less 20% trade discount and 4% cash discount. And
Okay. If the payment is made within 7 days, 4% cash discount, payment is made within 7 days.
yes,
75% payment is received by check.
in this question they are giving one case. If payment made in 7 days, then this 4% cash discount and 75% money received by check or cash and 25% on credit. Okay, so then 75% of 50,000 is 50,000 into 3/4. Okay, so 37,500, it's 12,500. Then less cash discount. Okay, and cash discount of 4% of this amount. Okay, beta, 4%. Cut the both the zero. Then 5 is to 4, 20, 0, 2, 28, 2, 0, 33, 12 and 3, 50. Okay, 1500. 4%. Okay, then less 6,3. Okay, put in the entry. We are going to sell or purchase.
Sold.
Sold. It means Sherpa David, cash account David, discount account David, to sales. In sales, wait. First we are going to less the 20%, beta. We are not less the 20%. Wait. First less the 20%, 10,000. Okay. Then it's 40,000. Then divide 75%, 25%, 30,000 and 10,000. Okay, beta? We are just with the trade discount. We are not going to less the trade discount. The first trade discount 10,000. Then remaining amount is 40,000. Here 4% cash discount less 4% cash discount. 1200. 8, 2. Okay. Now put the amount in this Sherpa 10,000. Okay. In the cash 28,800 and 1,200 and total amount is 40,000. Okay. Clear? Clear or not? Clear, beta? Okay. Next.
January 25.
This is 25 Jan.
Sold goods to Garima for 1 lakh.
1 lakh.
Allowed her 20% trade discount.
Trade discount
And
20%.
Cash discount.
Cash discount 5%. And
If the payment is made within 15 days.
payment is made. If payment will made in 15 days, then 5% cash discount. Okay, beta? Okay.
She paid 1/4 of the amount by check on February 5. 60% of the remainder on February 15 in cash.
Okay. One for February 5 and second is February 15. Okay, beta? 2 times. 1 5 and second is 15. And the date of 25. 25 is ever? Here 1 lakh is there, 20% and 15 days. Time is 15 days. 1/4 of the amount is paid on 1st February, 5th February, and 60% of remaining of the 15th in cash. Okay, it means 1st February, 15 days only. Oh, the amount is 25th. 25th to 15 days, it's 15, no? Okay, it means second payment. For the second payment, we are not giving any type of discount. Here only 1/4. On that 1/4 we are going to give the discount. Okay, beta? 5th pay. Okay, here first 20%. It means 20,000, 80,000. On 5th only between the 15 days. Okay, so 25 to 15 up to 10. 25 Jan to, we are going to add the 15 date, so then it's going to up to 10 February. Okay, and that 60,000 after 10 February, we are not taking that for the discount because the term is there. If we are going to pay the amount between or before in 15 days, then only 1/4. 1/4 means 20,000. Okay, 1/4, and remaining amount is 60 on credit. So then less cash discount 5%. 1,000. It's a 19,000. Just put entry. We are going to rub this one entry. Is purchased or sold?
Sold.
Sold. Okay. Then in sale, I think entry is very easy, beta. Entry is very easy. Only the calculation of amount, and we are going to sell on Garima. Na? Garima David. Cash account David. Discount David. 2 sales. Okay. In sales, 80,000 after the cut the trade discount. In Garima, 60,000. Cash 19, and this amount is 1,000. Okay, beta?
26.
Okay. Clear? Clear or not? It's a very important, beta. It's a very important question. Okay, it's a very important questions because this type of question is coming in the exam. Okay, so I am going for the next question. Third question. Okay. Okay, ready for the next question? I think well understand how to calculate the amount, beta. You all well understand? Okay. Next question is 13.
12.
Okay, 12. Again I am going to make take only half board for the making of that pro forma, because half I will use for the rough or calculation work. Okay, beta? Okay, start the question.
Sold good to Dilip at of the list price of rupees 62,000 for 60,000.
Okay, it's a easy, simple question is here. 62,000 for the list price is 62,000, but in which amount? 60,000. It means 2,000 is what? Trade discount. So purchase or sell?
Sold.
From whom?
Dilip.
Dilip David sells. Okay, 60,000 only. No need to write the discount. Okay, because it's a trade discount. Because it's a sold to certain price of rupees itna for 60,000. Okay. Okay, next. Next.
March 16.
Okay.
Purchased goods costing rupees 2 lakh from Hari and Co.
Okay. Was only this.
Paid 75% immediately. Check to avail 4% discount.
Oh, okay. 75%. Again, same type of question. Okay, tell me. 2 lakh.
From Hari and Company.
Hari and Company. Only 75% paid. 25% we are not going to pay. 75% means 1,50,000. Then less cash discount. Trade discount is not given. Only one discount, and rate of cash discount is
4%.
4%. 4% of this amount is 6,000, I think. Okay, less 144. Okay, only this amount of film, beta, and 50,000 is here. It's a purchase. Then purchase account debit, cash account to discount to name is what? Any name is there?
Hari and company.
Hari. In Hari, we are written 50,000 because on credit, in discount 6,000, and here 144,000, here 2 lakh rupees. Okay, beta? Clear? Next.
March 20. Sold good to Vishal Traders costing rupees 40,000 at 25% profit.
40,000, 25% profit means 10,000, add, it means total is 50,000 beta. Okay, next.
Allowing 10% trade discount.
10%, then less trade discount, 10% means 5,000. It means 45,000. Only this.
5% and 10% cash discount.
Okay, 10% cash discount. Any other thing is there?
Receive 80%.
50% in cash, na? 50% in cash.
80% payment immediately.
80% in cash and 20% in credit. So just calculate the 80% of 45,000. Okay? 0, 36,000 and 9,000. 10%, 3,600, 4, 2, 3. Okay, clear na beta? Same way. First add the profit, no problem about that. Then less the trade discount. What remaining amount is there? 80% receive in cash, less cash discount, and that amount is same. Sold is there, and name is what?
Vishal Traders.
Debit and discount. Debit. Okay, to says only after the doing of these things, only see the amount and write down. Don't take any attention. 50,000 trade discount less than 45,000. Discount amount is 3,600, 9,000 and 32,400. Okay, clear? Anything else? More? Okay. How many is there? Left.
Last.
Last. Okay. That will take what is space. Okay, beta. Okay. First rub the board. Okay. Tell.
Sold goods to Bridge and Company costing rupees 50,000.
Bridge. Okay. 50,000 is cast. Okay.
At 40% profit.
Add 40% profit. Okay. Tell.
40% profit. Allowing 10% trade discount and 5% cash discount.
Less 10% trade discount and 5% cash discount. Okay.
Bridge and Company paid the full amount by check.
Okay. Let's see. First thing, 40% we are going to add. So 40% of 50,000 is 40% of 50,000 is 20. What amount is coming, beta? 70. Less 10% discount, 63. Okay. Then full amount we are receiving in cash. Full amount, then only 5% less. Then 5% is 10% is 6,300. Then 5% is 3,150. Okay. 8, 9, 5. Okay, then we are going to breeze is not required there. Cash discount account to sales. In sales, after trade discount 63,000, discount 3150, 59,850. Okay beta, 59,850.
35.
Okay, clear? Clear or not? Clear hai beta? On this way we are going to solve the question. Okay, clear?